Jimor, don't forget the floaters, ha?
Yung sunblock, nadala mo ba?
Yeah, it's hot kaya there.
O, tara na. Let's go, go, go!
Wait! Teka lang! Huwag niyo kami kalimutan isama, ha?
Ngayong summer, make sure to bring good vibes with you. Let's sound trip by the beach or chillax with fun music by the pool. Basta kung gusto mo ng good vibes vacation, kasama mo kami.
Tara na, mga ka-vibes. Enjoy your summer with us.
Because here at GB, we'll make you feel good anytime, anywhere.
This is GB 99.1!
1 and 2, 1 and 2. Pag dalawa ang symptoms, it might be flu. 2 or 3, 2 or 3. 2 or more symptoms, anong sabi? Baka flu na, lagnat at sore throat mo. Iba yung flu, iba yung flu. Baka flu na, body pain, sipon, ubo. From post-nasal drip, pag symptoms 2 or more, iba yung flu. Ang flu combination more. Pag 2 or more symptoms, baka flu na yan. Kaya, buy flu na. 8 pesos SRP lang.
Alagang Unilab yan. Phenylephrine, HCl, chlorphenamine, maleate, paracetamol is the generic name of BioFlu. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
2 or more symptoms? Baka flu na yan. I-BioFlu na.
Manayla de Lima po para sa ML Party List. Kung naniniwala ka na ang hustisya hindi dapat pumapabor sa mayaman o makapangyarihan, kasama mo ang ML Party List. Manayla, mamamayang liberal. ML Party List, number 6 sa balota.
May immunity gap ba ang anak mo?
Immunity gap?
Si Angel, ang hirap pakainin.
Si Mela, pabalik-balik ang sakit. Si Toto, ang tagal gumaling. Immunity gap na yan. Tulong para 100% ang immunity. Based on RDNI with proper diet, exercise, and vaccination. Help stop immunity gap. Mag-Celine Plus. Araw-araw.
Alagang Unilab yan. Ascorbic acid plus zinc is the generic name of Celine Plus. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Help stop immunity gap. Mag-ascorbic acid plus zinc Celine Plus araw-araw.
GB 99.1 goes online. You'll never miss your favorite DJ. Just visit mixlr.com/GB-991 or download the Mixlr app and search for GB 99.1.
Friend, ang rupok mo. Ikaw, di marupok? Marupok. Bakit ba ang rupok natin?
Paano? 97% ng Pinoy kulang sa calcium. Pag kulang sa calcium, pwedeng rumupok ang buto.
Di mag-calciumate na tayo. May Bone and Flexi Boosters. Tulong para strong ang bones and joints. With proper diet and exercise.
Most prescribed brand pa ng mga doktor.
Hi!
Uy, ex mo yun, di ba? Ano ako? Marupok?
Di na. Sa tulong ng Calciumate, made for a stronger you. Versus non-use with proper diet and exercise. Alagang Unilab yan. Minerals plus cholecalciferol, vitamin D3 is the generic name of Calciumate. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Calciumate, made for a stronger you. Hey, it's me, DJ Dada. The real me, the real Masharap, the real Mapambitin. Halina't makipagkwentuhan kasama sa programang Dada Cool every Wednesday and Friday at 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Utakan ang labanan, pagalingan, pakwelahan, at iba pa. And you can share experiences in family.
Nagsalita ang ate, alam mo sinong marunong makinig?
Love,
Trust. Wow, big word.
life,
Pero bakit kasalanan ko?
and more. Only here on GB 99.1, your Kid Fight.
This is Janet Lumbak, taga-Aguilas City at isang housewife. Ako ay laging nakikinig sa The Morning Roundup with KG Boy. Bakit? Dahil nakaka-enjoy siyang pakinggan. Magaganda ang music na pinapatugtog niya at isa siya sa mga accessible DJ na nakilala ko. Never akong magsasawang makinig sa kanya.
It's The Morning Roundup with KG Boy. Over GB 99.1 and GB 99.9, your good vibes. This song is brought to you by Alaxan FR. Pag totoo ang relief, totoo ang relax. Alaxan FR.
There's always